is this?
A grateful universe.
I'm here for you.
You could not live with your own failure.
Let's kill him properly this time.
Where did that bring you? Back to me.
I mean, look at yourself.
But there is grace in their failings.
You rise,
I think you missed that.
only to fall.
Who are you in this vast multiverse?
I can feel it.
The world needs the X-Men.
That's why I'm here.
I've never felt power like this before. This is the end.
Everything they've built will fall! And from the ashes of their world, we'll build a better one!
How can you possibly hope to stop me?
It's not about how much we lost. It's about how much we have left.
I'll kick his ass.
You will.
Give me something else, something more powerful.
Now get out of my way. I got it!
No!
Okay, I don't got this. Help! Somebody help!